Hello. My name is Obi Mike, and you're welcome to DIY Hub TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make smoothie with two ingredients. The first one is spinach, and the next one is cucumber. I had two of these sizes of cucumber. They're just medium-sized cucumber. I had two of them. I washed and I chopped. This is what we have here. And then I have just a handful of spinach, freshly harvested. I washed the spinach in running water and then I left it in this bowl. So the next thing I'll do is I'll put my spinach in my blender. I'm going to put it here in the blender, and then I'm going to put my cucumber. I am not going to add water. But you can add water. It's all about your choice, all about what you want. So I'll just blend at low speed. I have my spatula. So I'm done blending. You can see what it looks like. You can see everything is well mixed and combined. So my smoothie is ready. My smoothie is ready. So you can see that. It's ready. I have about 2 glasses of this. You can see the smoothie is ready. Okay, so my smoothie is ready. You can preserve it in your fridge for about 1 day. So I have the remainder. I'll take it within 24 hours. So this is what I have left. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to tap on that notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.